So this is a Mulberry Bayswater in what Mulberry call Scribbley Floral, which is just absolutely beautiful. I've never seen one of these before and I'm absolutely in love with it. I think it's gorgeous. So it's in patent leather and it's a black background, and then it has sort of these scribbly floral splodges, so reds and pinks and oranges and peaches and little touches of yellow as well. The bag is in excellent condition, as in absolutely pristine. Okay, so I'm going to show you the corners. There is no signs of wear on those corners whatsoever. The base, there are 4 studs to the base. It's got top handles. It's standard Bayswater size. I'm a UK 8'10", about 5'4". The hardware is in pewter, and if I open the flap, you will see that the receiving part still has the plastic wrap on it. That is how pristine it is. So inside is the black suede lining. It's got 1 zipped pocket, 2 flat pockets. It's very dark, I don't think you're going to be able to see in there. It has, of course, got the internal bucket, internal straps here to adjust the side gussets. And it does come with some care docks, and it does come with the Mulberry dust bag as well. This is absolutely right up my street. I just think it's gorgeous. I've actually not seen this print before, and I just think it's beautiful. The patent as well, especially coming into autumn, winter. Gorgeous, gorgeous Mulberry. There is a link to this bag below. If you click the comments below, there's a link that'll take you to this on our product page. Also, there's a link so you can follow us on Instagram. And if you sign up to our newsletter, you get 10% off your first purchase. So hit the links below and be sure to give me the thumbs up.